guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn newsletter feature and article feature to grow your subscribers. Well guys, LinkedIn provides a feature called articles where you can create your own blog on the LinkedIn platform itself. Even you can create your newsletter which people can subscribe, and whenever you are uploading or publishing new article, new blog, your audience or the newsletter subscribers will get notified. So how cool is it, right? And if you do this whole thing in the LinkedIn platform, this will eventually help you to grow your subscribers, grow your audience, and overall if you are able to grow your audience, you can convert them as your own customer, or there are many other ways to earn through those audience, right? Now if you are still not able to understand that what is this article or newsletter option is about, let me show you one example. Now as you can see, I'm on Google right now, and if I search here marketing fundas, I've searched marketing fundas, and here if I click on our website, here you will be able to see the blog section in our website as well, right? If I click on this, so blog is basically a text form of information which helps our users, and if they like the content, they subscribe to this blog as well, and that is known as newsletter. Like basically if they subscribe to this blog, and how they can subscribe to this blog by just entering their email address and click on get updates button, right? And whenever we are publishing new content, they will receive a notification that we have published a new content, and they can check out, they can read and get more information about the topic, right? And the same thing works in LinkedIn as well. Basically this same whole concept has been added into the LinkedIn platform, right? If I open the LinkedIn platform, let me log in. Yeah, I've logged in already. Now here what you need to do is, first you need to go to your page. Let me close this one and let me directly go to the page, which is this marketing fundas global, right? And here you'll be able to see write article option, right? And if I scroll a little bit down, you'll be able to see the newsletter options over here as well. But in order to gain access to newsletter option, there are some criteria which you need to complete. The first one is that you need to turn on the creator mode, and the second one is there are some sub criterias that you need to meet in the creator mode as well, right? So as you can see in this account, we are not able to see the newsletter option because we haven't turned on the creator mode, and as well as we are not meeting the criteria in this account because this is totally a demo account. Right now let me show you first about the newsletter, that how you can get the newsletter option in your account. And the article option is already here, so you just need to check out this option, and I'll explain the article option as well. You don't need to worry about that. Right now for newsletter option, because if newsletter option is not turned on in your account, then it will drastically affect your article option, or you can say LinkedIn blog, because this newsletter option works like the subscription or the bell icon option in YouTube. So if you are not subscribing any YouTube channel, then the YouTube channel will be not able to grow, right? And same thing happens here. So you need the newsletter option very importantly. Right now let me go to my profile section, view profile, and in profile option, basically in the profile section, you can turn on your creator mode in the resources section. As you can see over here, creator mode is turned off right now. So let me click on this, and if I scroll a little bit down, I can hit the next button. Here I can add the topics, like in which topics I do perform, like digital marketing and all. Digital agency is okay, digital marketing is also okay, digital marketing, or I can go with digital marketing. Yeah, it is okay. So I'm going with only 3 topics. I don't want to add more. Now here in the creator tools, you'll be able to see that there are 4 creator tools. The first one is LinkedIn Live, then audio event, newsletter option is also here, and the follow link. Now you can check the criteria, that what are the option or what are the criteria you are meeting in order to get these options, because after turning on the creator mode you will not get all these 4 options, because if you are not meeting the criteria, the sub criteria of these features, you will not get the feature, right? Like if I click on learn more on newsletters, here I'll be able to see that you have abided by our community policy guidelines. Yes, we are not uh, breaking any community policy guidelines, so we are good to go for that. Now the second is you have at least 150 followers. Here we are lacking because we have only around maybe 30 followers in this account, so obviously we are not meeting the criteria, right? And the third point is you must have recently shared any type of original content. So this is the simple 3 sub criteria which you need to complete, and I think what the first one and the last one is not that much hard. You just need to get 150 followers in your account and you will be able to get the newsletter option in your account. So if I turn on over here, like I have turned on the feature, right? Basically the creator mode. Let me click on next button. No, I don't want to post that I'm a creator on LinkedIn right now. If you want, you can post it as well, right? So now you'll be able to see that the creator mode is turned on, but still I'll be not able to get the access to newsletter option. As you can see, I've got only follow link option over here. Basically the follow link feature I've got, right? And these 3 uh, options or the features are not unlocked in my account due to obvious reasons, Now I hope the confusion related to newsletter is clear. Now let's talk about the article option. So again, let's go to the page, because you can publish or post your content in the page already only. So here I am in the page option, and here I'll be clicking on the write article option. So when I click on write article option, here you'll be able to see a proper option to add a banner and then the content and the title and all, right? Let's say, for example, I'm just taking an example, I'm going to add one thumbnail from our YouTube channel, right? So this will work as a banner, and once you add the banner, you can add the credit or the caption about this banner or the image. Then here you can add the title like best marketing tools in 2024 or 3 maybe, right? Now here you can add, basically you can write the whole content or the blog, which will be like this, right? As you can see, if I open this blog, the blog title is let me open it first. Yeah, the blog title is Digital Marketing Guide for Beginners 2022 update, right? And A to Z complete course. So this is the banner, this is the headline, and then the content, and same goes here. This is the banner, this is the headline, and then the content you can write here, right? And then here are the features, like you can go with the headline option, headline 2, then the normal. If you want to bold any text, you can do that as well. You can make it italic, you can add the listings in dots in the number option as well. Then you can quote any content as well. You can add any kind of code if you want to add, like if you want to embed any extra detail or anything extra in the blog, you can do that as well, right? Then divider option. Then here's one more option, is link option. So basically what you can do is, like I have written here, marketing fundas. Oops. So what I can do is I can add the anchor text to this content, to this keyword marketing fundas. For that I just have to click on this link icon, and here I can add the URL of my website, just copy it and paste it here and apply. As you can see, the anchor text has been applied. So same like we do in our WordPress website or any other blog website, we need to do the same thing here as well, right? After creating a whole blog, you can just hit the next button, and here you can publish it, right? And if your newsletter option is turned on, your subscribers will get automatically notified that Marketing Funda's global page has published a new article which they can read, right? So this is how the concept of newsletter and the article works. Basically, LinkedIn is providing you the feature to create a blog on the LinkedIn platform itself. And I already told you that what are the benefits of creating content on LinkedIn, text content on LinkedIn. Basically, it will ultimately help you to uh, gain followers, gain subscribers, and gradually you can convert them into your own customer, or you can use that audience to promote any other product. Basically, you can find other way to monetize your audience, right? So I hope the concept is clear. I hope you like the video and you found it useful. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.